Meaning of dissension.
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 Dissension. Dissension refers to a disagreement or conflict within a group of people, often resulting in a lack of unity and cooperation. When dissension occurs, individuals may hold differing opinions, perspectives, or goals, leading to tension and division. This can result in reduced productivity, difficulty making decisions, and a breakdown in communication. If left unresolved, dissension can escalate and lead to more serious problems within the group. To manage dissension, it is important to encourage open communication, respect diverse viewpoints, and find ways to work towards common goals.